bored. Is there any other terrifying sound to a parent? Well, if your summer child is sitting on the couch, it's time to get them up and moving. You know, it seems like kids have a love-hate relationship with summer. About halfway through, they lose that momentum for wanting to go out and hang out with people. They just kind of slump on the couch, stare at their phone screens, and zombify. So let's get them up and moving and having a little bit of fun and trying some new things. I mean, we all want to see them have a great summer and relax a little bit, but we also want to get them out there and having a little bit of fun. And it's not that hard to do. We found some great ideas on Amazon, and we're going to share 20 products we found to amp up your kids' summer. And of course, at that point, they're going to be having a much better time than just sitting around staring at their computer screen all year. Let's get them out there. Let's get them playing, hanging out with other kids, and enjoying the rest of their summer break, because that's what it's all about. Get that smile kicking. So let's go. All right, guys, make sure you check the links in the description for all the products we're going over. So let's level up their summer. And the first product we found was 60 reusable water balls. They're sort of like reusable, sort of like a water balloon. And of course, this would be a great way for them to have a little outside fun with their friends. And this way, there's no more fighting with the hose over the water balloon situation. All right, so let's see what else we have. Also, a little indoor fun's fine too. I mean, this is a scavenger hunt that they can create outdoors or indoors, but it'll give them a chance to hang out with their friends or family in this case too, and just run around looking for these items. It'll be a lot of fun and at least get them off their computers or their phones for a few minutes. This next item is really screaming summer to me. It's Hawaiian shaved ice or snow cone machine. And let me tell you, that is going to put some smiles on some faces. They are going to love this one. And you'll be able to entertain their friends as well as just keep them kind of cool and happy. All right, and next we have 333 water balloons, and they're instant self-sealing style, which is really cool. You just put the hose in and you watch them fill up, and they seal themselves and fall off into a bucket. And these are really, really easy to use. They're very satisfying to watch as well, and it could be an instant water balloon fight at any time you're ready. All right, this next one is called yard dice, or rollsy is one of the things they call it. Sort of like Yahtzee, but you big dice, and you can play it outside in the yard. You could probably play it on a nice carpet as well, inside if they prefer, but it does get them up and using their heads and trying to figure out how to get that ever popular rollsy or Yahtzee as we would know it. But it is a lot of fun, and just one more way that you can get them out and having a great time this summer, so why not? All right, with this next product, simple sometimes is the best way to go. This is a toss game for kids for outdoor, and of course you guys can play it in any yard, lawn, patio, whatever. And of course it's a great time for the whole family, maybe just the kids even, whatever they want to do. It's going to entertain them for quite some time as they compete against each other to get those rings. And it'll be a lot of fun, and yet another way to get them out and about and not just sitting on the couch. And of course, we have the water blaster set. These are great because they can play with their friends. You get a 6-pack. And what's really neat about this is, of course, whether you have a pool or whether you just fill it up and take it outside, it is going to be a lot of fun chasing each other around and squirting each other with these things. It is going to be a blast. All right, so for this next one, I thought this was very cool. You get a 2-pack, and it's a blaster circle squirt gun, but it also comes with a vest, so it's kind of like water laser tag, sort of. And very cool. We all know they love to play with the guns over the summer, and this would be a great way for them just to have a little extra fun and get a little wet. And for those of you with a pool, this is going to be a lot of fun as well. They do have a volleyball pool set that you can actually put into the pool, and they can kind of play and volley it back and forth. That's always going to be a big winner and a hit. If you've got a pool and you're going to use it, it's a lot of fun. It's a great party gift as well. I think this would actually be fun for any age. All right, next item. This is Rinflock Slip and Slide. and it's a 16-foot inflatable splash water slide, and you can race your friend. It's a very cool, looks like it's a shark theme, very neat. And I mean, who doesn't love a slide, am I right? You gotta love getting a little wet over the summer and having a little bit of ways to cool off and have a great time with your friends. This is going to be one of those items for sure. This is a cool item because it's going to be fun. It takes 2 people to do it, and you get a pack of 2, so you could actually bring even more friends. And it's the rip ball and the zip ball. And basically how it works is, one, you pull the little handles apart and it flies over to the other person. But what's really cool is inside there's a water balloon, so the harder you do it, the more likely they are to get splashed. So it's sort of a little game and a whole lot of fun. I know when we were kids, we loved to go out right as it was getting dark and play with something like this. This was the Arrow helicopter flying toy. Very neat, and it's got a little slingshot thing to it, so you can launch it up into the air and have a little nighttime fun. One word, bubbles. This Gatling gun bubble gun actually comes in a variety of colors. Very cool, shoots out a lot of bubbles at once. And as anybody knows, the kids love bubbles, and they are going to be chasing this around, having the best of times, shooting these things all over the yard. And you know, at least they're not sitting there on their phones or, you know, lumping around talking about being bored. So you got that going for you. Another really cool one, they have the paint and plant stoneware flower garden kit. This is very cool. You can get them into gardening a little bit and let them decorate the pots themselves. And this would be good for little kids. It would also be great for, you know, older kids as well. So you got a lot going on. The kids are going to get excited about being able to help out, and it should be equally as fun for the teenagers in your life to create something beautiful that they can use. So a lot of wins with that one, and it should be a great win for summer. This next one's very cool. It's sort of like a shooting gallery or a target practice, and they can use water balloons, or they could use water guns. Heck, you could use bubbles if that's what you're into. And of course, I think that whether you have a pool or whether you don't, this could be a really great fun activity for summer for them to get a little competitive and have a laugh. Really love this next one. It is a hover soccer toy ball set. Comes with the 2 nets, the balls, and of course a hover ball as well. So a lot of fun and a great time for them to get out and move around, kick the ball a little bit, and, you know, have in general a great time competing with their friends or with family. And for this one, we have Capture the Flag, which is, you know, obviously a great old game, but this is a glow-in-the-dark version, so they could easily use this to have a little fun in the dark of a room or even outside with their friends. And it would be a great way to compete and have a little fun distraction from their summer boredom. And of course, it could be played during the daytime as well. It really doesn't have to be at night. It is just glow-in-the-dark and pretty cool. Our next item is called Flarts. And Flarts basically is a darts that you play outside. It's very safe, it's rounded off, and very, very fun. And you know, this reminds me of when I was a kid. We used to play something called lawn darts. And you'd have a little ring set up, and you'd throw the little darts up and try to beat your opponent. But unfortunately, it wasn't very safe, so it was banned. This one is a much safer version of that same fun game. And for those of you that have trampolines, this is a great idea too. Kids love to get out and play in the water, so why not hook up the sprinklers to your trampoline? They do have a particular one here, and it does look like it would be a load of fun for any group of kids to play on. Of course, you want to always have adult supervision, but this is a win. Bonsai! Alright, for this next one, we have slide water baseball. So you're playing baseball and you're sliding around the bases because it's sort of like a slip and slide. That seems like a lot of fun to me. Here's what the box actually looks like to give you a better idea of how it works, but how much fun would that be for everybody? Well, there you go, guys. Some boredom breakers for you and the family. And if you guys have a comment, please leave it down below. We hope that these hints and ideas will help you out. And of course, you'll find the links for all these items down in the description. If you want to follow us, here's how you can reach us on all our platforms. We love to hear from you. Peace. We'll catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.